Namaste, welcome to the class. We will start with warm-ups. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Eyes gently closed. Exhaling. Bring head forward. Chin at the throat cavity. Try to stretch your neck muscles. Inhaling slowly, take it back. Try to lift chin little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn right. Chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate. Exhaling down, chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder without lifting the shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Relax your hands. Relax your neck. Now both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now rotate both the hands. Forward rotation. Keeping elbows straight. When hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears. Throughout the rotation, keep your elbows straight. Don't relax your elbows. Similarly, do it in the reverse direction. Relax. Now alternatively, lift the hands up and down and stretch them at both the ends. Make sure elbows are straight. Relax. Now keep little distance between both the legs. Join both the palms at the front, keeping elbows straight. Exhaling, stretch them back. Don't drop the hands. They should be at the shoulder height. Now swing to right and left. When you come to right, left palm is coming onto the right shoulder. Right hand is going back. Look towards the hand going back. Similarly towards left. Make sure your feet is looking forward. Don't twist your feet. Again, keep your hands at the shoulder height. Don't drop them. Relax. Keep both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now exhaling, slowly bend towards your right. Only towards right. Normal breathing. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Once again, take a deep breath. Exhaling, bend towards left. Inhaling, come to center. Relax. Now keep right hand forward. Take right leg a little back and try to reach your right palm with your right feet while exhaling. Keep your elbow straight. Don't bring your hand down. Try to reach your hand with your feet. Similarly, left hand with left leg. Now right hand with left leg. Now left hand with right leg. Relax. Now keep both the legs together. Bring both the hands forward, palms looking down. Without opening the knees, try to sit down as if you are sitting in a chair. If you are comfortable, you can sit completely down and stay there with normal breathing. Make sure entire feet is on the floor. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Even while coming back, knees should be together. Exhaling, one more time, go down. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up. Normalize the hands. Now keep both the hands at the waistline. Lift the right leg. Rotate the ankle clockwise 3-4 times. And anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Similarly, left leg. Clockwise 3-4 times. And anti-clockwise 3-4 times. Relax. Now sit on the asana. We will do plank for a minute, at least 2-3 variations. Come on to the knees and place your palms front side of the asana. Now lift yourself on the toes. You can place your elbows on the floor, join both the palms, interlock the fingers. Now bring your entire body parallel to the floor. Bring your lower back also parallel. Don't lift your hips up. Normal breathing. The core will get strengthened. Now staying here, move to front and back on the toes. When you go back, try to see if you can bring your heels closer to the floor. Similarly, when you come forward, try to move towards the far front as much as possible. But maintain the height. The parallel position of your body should be there. Don't lift your hips. Stay there for a few seconds in the same position. Now move to right and left sideways. When you come to sides, see your thighs are touching the floor and coming back. Relax. Come on to the knees. Relax yourself. Come to sitting position. We'll go for preparation for Padmasana. Relax for a few seconds, normalize the breath. Now join both the legs. Fold the right leg. Place the ankle on the left knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your right knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling. Bring the knee close to the chest. Pull towards left side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the ankle with the left hand, knee with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards right. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with the left hand, inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now holding the toe with the left hand, bring the toe close to the left ear without bending the head while exhaling. Exhaling, normalize the right leg. Now fold the left leg, place the ankle on the right knee, keeping back and neck straight. Try to push your left knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Try to pull towards right side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back. Now hold the knee with the left hand, ankle with the right hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Stretch maximum towards left. Keep other leg straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with the right hand, inhaling, bring the heel close to the navel. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Join both the legs. Now we will sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Both the heels close to each other. Both knees on the floor. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Wrists on the knees. Backbone straight. Eyes gently closed. We will start deep and long breathing. Those who cannot sit in Padmasana, you can sit either Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. Now start exhaling slowly, as slow as possible. Completely exhale. Pull the navel deep inside. Apply Molban. Relax Molban. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Molban. Relax Molban, normalize the breath and repeat 2 more times. Once you complete the round, relax. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. महामंत्र गायत्री में ओम भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Try to get up without taking support of your hands. If you cannot, come on to the knees and then get up. We will do Ardha Chandrasana. Keep both the legs together, hands along with the body. Those who have asthma, high blood pressure or heart ailment should not hold the breath. Rest of them can hold the breath. Take both the hands from sideways up. Join both the palms at the top. Now, once again, inhale. Holding the breath, stretch both the hands up. Maintaining the stretch, slowly bend towards your right. Try to hold the breath. As long as you can hold the breath, try to be there in the stretched position, the bent position. If you cannot hold anymore, slowly exhaling, slowly raise the body up. Once again, take a deep breath, stretch both the hands up. Holding the breath, bend towards your left. Exhaling, slowly raise the body up. Once again, take a deep breath, stretch both the hands up. Maintaining the stretch, exhaling, bring the hands from sideways. Relax. We'll go for Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Wrist to elbow straight. Elbows close to the body. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will invoke the sun god. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha. Inhaling. Take both the hands up at the shoulder width. Don't join the palms. Shoulders close to the ears. Once again, inhale and bend back from the cervical. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra, behind the throat and the spine. Next pose, those who have severe backache, please do it up to your capacity. Shoulders along with the ears. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Try to maintain your stretch at the hand so that you will be able to bend better. Completely exhale. Bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor beside the feet. If you are able to touch the fingers, try to place the palms on the floor without bending the knees. Try to bring your forehead towards the knees. Normal breathing. Concentration at Manipur Chakra, behind the navel on the spine. Those who cannot place the palms on the floor, bend your knees a little. Firmly place both the palms either side of the feet. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right toe is in standing position. Right knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Concentration at Swadhisthana Chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Check yourself if you can bring your lower back a little more down. Exhaling, take the left leg back, join both the legs, head inside chin at the throat cavity. Now move your body back and try to place heels on the floor. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra at the crown of the head. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor, the plank position. First knees on the floor, chest between two hands on the floor, forehead on the floor, palms close to the chest, elbows looking up. Navel portion should not touch the floor. Lift your navel a little. Concentration at Anahata Chakra, behind the heart on the spine. Inhaling, pushing body forward, straighten the elbows, bring your lower back down and bend back maximum. Concentration at Mooladhara Chakra at the tip of the spine. Without taking support of your knees, exhaling, lift yourself up, go back and try to place heels on the floor again, chin at the throat cavity, concentration at Sahasrara Chakra. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Take support of your hands if required. Left knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Try to bring your lower back down as much as possible. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and see if you can place the palms on the floor. If you cannot, try to touch the fingers on the floor, forehead coming closer to the knees. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly raise the body up and bend back from the cervical. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down, lie down on the backbone, relax. Keep comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Normalize the breath and recollect all the warm-ups and Surya Namaskar. Do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands towards the head on the floor at the shoulder width. Don't join the palms. Elbow to rear side of the palm should be touching the floor. Knees straight, toes in stretching position. Now inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction as if two people are pulling in opposite. Stretch maximum. Maintaining the stretch, normal breathing. Try to increase the stretch every time when you inhale. Relax. Relax your elbows and the toes. Normalize your breath. We will do Navasana. Those who has backache, please avoid doing this Navasana. You can continue doing Tadasana or you can lift the legs to 90 degrees. Keeping hands in stretching position, toes in stretching position, knees are straight. Inhaling, bring the legs towards the head on the floor without bending the knees. Try to place your rear side of the feet on the floor. Exhaling, lift yourself up, bend forward and see your hands are surpassing the toes. Forehead is coming closer to the knees. Now maintaining this position, roll on your backbone. Check yourself whether your knees are straight or not. Toes in stretching position. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Don't bring your hands first. Relax. Relax in sitting position. Keep comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands behind the hips. Look up. Close your eyes. Normalize the breath. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands close to the hips. Fingers looking towards opposite side. Throughout the asana, make sure toes are in stretching position, knees are straight, elbows are straight. Inhaling, slowly lift the central part of the body up. You can suspend the head at the back. In the final lift position, normal breathing, but don't relax. Try to lift little more up without bending the knees. Try to place toes on the floor. Check yourself whether you are trying to place the toes just by bending the knees. Don't bend your knees. Exhaling, slowly come back as slow as possible. And relax in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs from left in one go. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Both the knees together. Palms on the knees. Back and neck straight. Eyes gently closed. Concentration at Agnya Chakra between two eyebrows. Don't bend your shoulders. Don't bend your back. Try to keep your back and shoulders straight. We will do Marjari and Vyagrasana. Those who have severe knee pains, please avoid this. Rest of them, come on to the knees. Keep little distance between both the knees equal to shoulder width. Place both the palms in front of you. Between knees and the palms, it should be equal to your hand length. You can check yourself. Very good asana for ladies, especially after the birth. I mean, if the mothers can do this to strengthen the lower abdomen. Now, inhaling, bring your lower back down, head back. Try to bend your head back maximum. Try to bring your lower back down. Exhaling, lift your lower back up, head inside, chin at the throat cavity. And repeat at least 5 more times. Inhaling, head back, lower back down. Exhaling, head inside, lower back up. And repeat. Try to keep longer time for each position, in each position, whether it is inhaling or exhaling. Those who have severe backache, this will help. The core will get strengthened. Once you complete, relax in the same position, normalize your breath. We will go for Vyagrasana. Now lift the right leg, straighten the right leg. Now inhaling, bend your right leg, bring your toe towards the head and head goes back. Try to bring head and the toes together as close as possible. Exhaling, bring your knee towards your abdomen and forehead towards the knees. In the final stage, knee and forehead should touch. Inhaling, take them back. Exhaling, bring them forward. Do it 3 more times with right leg. Once you complete, relax for a few seconds. Now similarly do it with left leg 5 times. Inhaling, take them back. Exhaling, bring them forward. And see your left knee is touching the forehead. At least coming closer to the forehead. And repeat. Relax. Lie down on the abdomen. Sithilasana, right side Vishrant. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Come on to the abdomen. We will do Shalabhasana. Place your chin on the floor. Throughout the asana, make sure chin is touching the floor. Now hands along with the body. Both legs together. Toes in stretching position. Rear side of the feet should be on the floor. Now bring the palms under the thighs. Rear side of the palm should be touching the floor. Now bring your elbows close to the navel, little inside the body. Without bending the knees, keeping your toes in stretching position. Inhaling, lift both the legs up. Make sure rear side of the palms are touching the floor. You are not pushing your thighs. Lift maximum. Even if it is just 3-4 inches, that's fine. Don't bend your knees. Normal breathing. Try to stay there. See the impact at the lower back. The back pain will reduce. The slip disc related issues will reduce. The excess fat at the thighs will reduce. Exhaling. Slowly bring the legs towards the floor. And Sithilasana left side Vishran. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes. In mirror image of uppercase of L. Bring the right hand straight under the head. Turn right. Come on to the backbone. We will do Uttana Padasana. Both legs together. Bring both the hands towards the head. Place the palms under the head as a pillow. And elbows equal to shoulder width. Parallel to the shoulder. Now inhaling, keeping toes in stretching position, knees are straight. Lift both the legs to 75 degrees. You should be able to look at your toes. Normal breathing. Stay there. First 10-15 seconds you will not feel any impact. If you continue staying there, you will see the impact at the lower abdomen, also at the thighs. If you feel any vibration in any part of the body, that means that part of the body is weak. We need to strengthen. Exhaling, slowly bring the legs towards the floor. Normalize your hands and relax in Shavasana. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Palms looking up. Normalize your breath. Start scanning the relaxed body with your mental eye. From right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe, and in the reverse direction. turning from right, come to sitting position. We will do face exercise today. Sit in comfortable position, either Padmasana, Sukhasana, or even Vajrasana. Now, catch hold of the ears at the bottom with your index finger and the thumb. Now, pull the ears down, hold for some time and then relax. Once again, pull them down, relax. One more time, pull them down, relax. Now, hold the ears at the sides, stretch them towards the sides. Relax. Once again, pull them. Relax. One more time. Relax. Now hold the ears at the top. Now pull them up. Hold for some time. Release them. Once again, pull them. Release. One more time, pull them up. Release. Now hold the ears from sides. Now rotate them clockwise. Make a bigger circle. All lymph fluids will get pumped throughout the body. Similarly, do the reverse direction. Relax. Now, with your index finger and the middle finger at the nose, try to stretch your skin down. Try to stretch your skin from the nose towards the cheeks. Now, hold the nose at the tip and try to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. We'll start with clockwise. And anti-clockwise. These are the parts which we don't touch or we don't do any exercise. Relax. Now, blow the air at the lower lip. Blow maximum and hold. Release. Now blow up the upper lip. Release. Now blow both the lips. Release. Now blow up the entire cheeks. Once you completely blow up, try to hold for some time. Relax. Normalize your breath. We'll go for pranayama. Hands in Dhyan Mudra. Sit in comfortable position. We will do Ujjayi Pranayam. Those who have asthma, high blood pressure or heart ailment should not hold the breath or apply bandhas. Rest of them, fold the tongue. Place the tip of the tongue at the upper palate. Try to stretch maximum. And close your lips. Now maintaining the stretch position of your tongue. Inhale through both the nostrils. While inhaling, try to make a snoring sound if you can. Completely inhale, hold the breath inside, apply Molban. Hold for some time. While exhaling, again try to exhale and make a snoring sound. Completely exhale, hold the breath outside, apply Molban, hold for some time. Relax Molban, normalize the breath and then repeat. Let us start. Hold the tongue, place it at the upper palate, close your lips. Now inhale while making the snoring sound if you can. Repeat at least 3 more times. Once you complete the rounds, relax. Don't stop in between. We will do Talabadh Pranayam. Hands in Dhyan Mudra. First listen to the instructions and then follow. We will inhale while chanting Om 4 times. Hold the breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. While exhaling, chant Om 4 times. Hold the breath outside while chanting Om 4 times. If you cannot hold for 4 times, you can reduce it to 3 or 2. If you can increase it to 5 or 6. But length of the inhalation, holding the breath, exhalation and holding the breath should be equal. Let us start. Chant Om while inhaling 4 times. Hold the breath inside while chanting Om 4 times. Chant Om internally. Chant Om 4 times while exhaling. Hold the breath outside while chanting Om 4 times. Relax, normalize the breath and then repeat at least 3 more times. Once you complete the rounds, relax. We will go for meditation. Sit in comfortable position. Hands in Dhyana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. We will chant Om in 1:1 ratio, medium pace. First listen to me for 2 times and then join. Om. 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 Chant. Chant Om internally. Slowly shift your focus towards the breathing. Concentrate at the tip of the nose. Now slowly shift your focus towards the thoughts. Let thoughts come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe them as a spectator. Shan. We will chant Om once, followed by Mrutyunjay mantra. Take a deep breath. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarutamiva Bandhanan Mrityormukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Gently steer your eyelids with fingertips. Open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch toes forward and back. Right and left. Rotate them clockwise and anti-clockwise. With this, we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for the opportunity.